Hello, welcome to the unboxing of Xiaomi Mi Earphones Comfort. This is an older model of Xiaomi earphones. It is available on AliExpress for around $45–50, but I bought these in the Czech Republic and managed to buy them cheaper than they're sold on AliExpress. Paid like 900 crowns for them, which is around $40, and you can't buy those any cheaper on AliExpress. So what do we have here? We have warranty and stuff. So here it is. These earphones are standard wired earphones with microphone. So that means that they don't support Bluetooth, but I suppose they have better quality of sound than wired earphones. So here's the warranty card. Okay, and let's open it and see what they look like. All the reviews I watched online said that these are pretty light on the head, and that's why I bought them. I didn't want very expensive earphones, but I need something when I watch movies or series and stuff. So let's see what's here. So first you get, as with all earphones of this price range, you don't get box. You got pouch, which is nice, good enough. And let's take the earphones out and see what they look like and what they feel like. Also, there's a instruction manual here that is in Chinese. Standard stuff, probably how to use a button on mic. Here are the earphones, and let's take this off. Okay, here they are. They have pretty nice design, even though I'm not the biggest fan of gold color, which you can see here. On the inside, they are labeled left and right, also with gold and color, which is a nice touch, even though I prefer this labeling to be black or white. But all in all, they're pretty nice. You can open them. They are pretty light, but they don't... Oh, this is very... Okay, well, we will see what the sound is like. They look very comfortable. There are big pads here, as you can see. And there is a mic here, and I don't see any buttons. But I'll read the instruction manual. So it's time to see what they sound like. Okay, so let's hear how these earphones sound. First of all, we need to see if they fit well. Really good, even though I would say they're for slightly larger heads, because as you can see, I didn't have to extend them at all, and they just fit perfectly. And I'm not somebody with a small head, but they fit very well. So let's just play some music. From 30 seconds hearing, they sound really well. I would say that the bass is great, the midtones are okay, but there is slightly less high frequency tones. But I guess the sound quality overall is pretty well. As you saw, they don't fall off when you wave your head, and pretty good fit, and they fit pretty nicely even though I'm wearing glasses. All in all, pretty decent earphones for around $35–40. I can only recommend it. One thing I found out, there is a play and accept call button here. It's not visible, you just have to press this thing here. It doesn't work on my notebook, of course, it works only on mobile phones. So there is a slight tactile feedback when you press it. It's not a touch sensor. All in all, I think this is pretty good buy. See you next time. If you like my videos, please subscribe.